Edo Governor Obaseki on Wednesday 14th August 2024 don inaugurate the Christian Pilgrims Welfare Board wey dey headed by the chairman of the state chapter of the Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN), Apostle General Dr. Obaseki. Oga Governor wey inaugurate the board for Government House Benin City country salute to CAN for the way dem show up and work with am on top the Christian feeding program CFP. Obaseki come here and say belle no sweet am at all when he hear say some people dey play politics with the efforts wey dem don make. They make all kinds of claims say dem dey rebag products wey another person give, but say he happy with the way dem take respond. Oga Obaseki come also talk say Edo na Christian state and Christianity don remain solid pillar for Edo as people and for your administration. Say beyond spirituality, dem don see say the church for Edo state na strong tool and instrument wey dem dey use reach the people as government. E come talk say the people dey carry their problems go the doorsteps of the church and e dey important as government to understand the challenges wey the people dey face. That na why e dey important to work with the religious leaders to help the government reach the people, understand wetin dem dey go through as the government dey think of programs and policies wey go help reach the citizens of the state. E come charge the board say make dem live up to the high standard wey dem don set for them and make sure say dem dey do their work well. Say the body dey set up to help make sure say coordination of Christian pilgrims from the state dey more structured.
I cannot thank the Christian Association of Nigeria enough for coming up and working with me on the food support program. Let me apologize on behalf of the misguided political class who wanted to drag you and the good work you are doing in the Lord's Vineyard into the murky waters of politics by reporting the unfortunate incident relating to your the Christian feeding program, which you have diligently and sacrificially undertaken for us. I was really sad when I heard that there were some people started playing politics with the efforts you have made, making all sorts of spurious claims that you were rebagging products given by somebody else erroneously. I am glad with the very solid and robust response which you gave back to them. The Christian Pilgrims Welfare Board, beyond just helping organize pilgrims, because before you pilgrims for pilgrimages, you have to organize the Christian body. And therefore, we, in putting this body together, looked very closely across the spectrum of the Christian body in Edo State and selected very respectable members of this body to be appointed to run the affairs of the board. I want to charge the board, and I'm almost certain that they will live up to the high standards that have been set for them and ensure that they act appropriately in the discharge of their duties.
For in response, Chairman of the board, Apostle General Dr. Obaseki, thank the governor for the trust we put for him and the members of the board and come promise say them go do their work well.
I feel highly honored and privileged to be given the chance to lead the State Christian Pilgrim Welfare Board for the period ahead.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Government House Benin City, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.